It's time to sleep. Close your eyes and enjoy our storytelling. In the city of Verona, two families, the Montagues and the Capulets, hated each other. Romeo, a Montague, fell in love with Juliet, a Capulet, at a party. They secretly married with the help of Friar Lawrence. Romeo's friend, Mercutio, died in a fight with Juliet's cousin, Tybalt. Romeo killed Tybalt in revenge and was banished. Juliet's father planned her marriage to Paris. To escape, Juliet faked her death with a potion from Friar Lawrence. Romeo didn't know the plan and thought Juliet was really dead. Heartbroken, he drank poison and died. The Prince of Verona was angry at the violence between the families. He blamed their hate for the deaths of Romeo and Juliet. The two families, full of sorrow, finally agreed to end their feud. They decided to build golden statues of Romeo and Juliet to honor their love and remember the tragedy caused by their hate. This is the end of the story. Now, it's time to enjoy the sound of the rain to help you sleep better.